Right. Welcome the fuck back, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning into another stream. If you guys are new here, in the morning we typically come in, we take a look at NQ price action. We see what is going on between the Asia session, between the London session, and what price can do going into that New York session. At night, we come in and we review the trades, we see what actually took place, and then from there, we just kind of outline what we can see potentially going into that next day. So, if you guys are new here, let's start off there. Make sure to give it a like, give it a share. If you guys find these interesting, if you guys are not new here, then keep inviting your friends, keep inviting your mom. You know, we love seeing her here. So let's see what we got today. So far, we opened up, right, tapped into that 25,193.75, and that gave us a little bounce. If you guys are also interested, this is the full commentary. Is also inside the Discord, which is www.paperchairs.io. Go check it out. Where is that? Fucking can't. It's in that corner right there. Right there. So go check it out. Go see what we're all about. See things that we offer. But other than that, keep tuning into these streams and we'll keep talking about this shit. So far, bounds on the 12-hour level at 25,193.75. So that is going to be the level that we are watching into tomorrow. But let's take a look here on that higher time frame. So this morning, if you guys were inside the Discord, we were talking about potential SND. So sweep of the high, sweep of the low, reversal to the upside. Pretty close to what we were looking at here going into that New York session, right? We had nice shorts overnight here on this 5-minute fair value gap during the Asia session. Got a little bit, right? Nothing crazy, but got a little bit of a short there. Flint session swept both sides, so that kind of gave us that SND idea going into the New York session. So here, during New York Open, we open up initially 925, right? Price opens up with a big pump. 930 open up. Tap into 25,098. Nice rejection there. Retest of this New York Midnight Open. Right, tap of the New York Midnight Open. Price is not willing to break below. We're sweeping a little bit of liquidities. Get a little bit of an SFP here. Get a reversal back to the upside. Retest of the 25,098 12-hour level. Another rejection with that new 15-minute candle opening up at 945. Sweep of that previous 15-minute candle high. And let me show you that exactly here. There's the sweep of that previous 15-minute candle high. We had this low right there that we were targeting. So sweep of that gives us that reversal back to the downside. We're targeting these lows, these. Once we sweep these, you can see how price is holding right there, right? Price is holding. So SFP here, SFP with a hold of the liquidity here. Here with price not willing to displace it to the downside here, right? With that, also we are looking at the VIX fix right here. So we never short on VIX fix and never shorting on rising VIX fix. So liquidity sweep plus rising VIX fix giving us the confidence for a reversal into the upside here. So there's that potential, right? There's that long, not necessarily sweeping that long session low, which they've done before. Swept that, gave us that reversal to the upside. This is also sweeping the previous 4-hour low here. So we get previous 4-hour low swept. We get an outside 4-hour here, which gives us that run to the upside. And currently continuing that run to the upside here as we are watching this price action unfold. Going into tomorrow, given that we did sweep that previous daily high, we are going to watch that level going into tomorrow to see what they actually want to do here, right? So if price continues to hold above that previous daily high, we will see a continuation, right? 25,326.75 is going to be an important level here on the 12-hour. And if we can break through that, then we got that upside. We got some more levels on the upside that we can potentially tap into, as well as that 25,414 level, if you guys remember it from our previous streams. But previous daily high, obviously is going to be important, as well as that 25,193.75 going into tomorrow. So watch those two levels, see how prices react to them. You can see how we broke through this one, retested it, came back above it, retested it again right there. Solid bounce on it with that rising big six, which we're never short on, and then a nice reversal to the upside. So that pretty much concludes everything that we go over today. It's a quick and easy, nothing crazy on these streams outlining, especially given that war is still waging on. There's like 50,000 troops that are getting deployed to to the Middle East right now, and nobody knows about it, but there's potential ground invasion, right, coming. So something to watch out for. INTC, I will say, is just completely fucking cranking here. Cranking on these dailies, cranking on everything. Other than that, I'm not seeing anything that looks very, very nice here, given how NQ is acting. So I'm just kind of waiting it out, seeing what price wants to do. We're waiting one more week, maybe, to see how these monthlies are playing out, because we want to see a sweep of those previous monthly lows, previous quarterly lows, before we see a nice continuation to the upside. As that is typical, right? Love was the nicest call that we had this past week, and that was, it was nice that price did continue to that upside. ADBE actually about to complete this animal also. This one's fun. This one we found like this so long ago. Let's see here when we. So, that animal keeps on giving. Other than that, and that's all I have. If you guys got any questions, comments, concerns, make sure to leave them in the chat or leave them in the comments below to see what all we talk about, to see what all we cover. Make sure to tune in on Sunday, as we will be going over any stocks that we were watching going into this next following week, right? And anything else, any important levels, things like that. Right now, let's see how this price action, right? Potential things to watch for here is we see 5-minute fair value gap is holding. So if we are inside OTE or anything like that, let's watch and see if price action does want to reverse back down below that previous daily high sweep. If we get back below that, we get a really nice potential for reversal back to the downside. Fucking A. I'm having fucking hiccups after dinner. Made some calzones. Go check that post out too. Invited your mom over for fucking dinner. So come hang out with us. Come check us out. 25,326.75 is the level to watch. Other than that, that's all I have. I love you guys. I appreciate you. Give it a like. Give it a share. Follow us on Twitter at The Paper Traders. Follow me on Twitter. 2,000 followers. We're going to do a tracksuit reveal. If you guys haven't seen it yet, you'll see it soon. 3,000 followers for Mr. Hayes. We're going to do a lifetime membership giveaway. We'll see you on the next one. Peace out.